In this video, we are going to learn about how to delete article or post in Substack. First of all, open a browser and go to substack.com. After that, click to dashboard and now click to a publication from where you want to delete your post. You can click this button to open your publication. Select anyone, just like I want to select this one. After that, click to post. Now here you can see published, schedule and draft post. Here you can see nothing, so I want to change my publication. Now click to post again. Now you can see here is a published article. Now I want to delete this one. Click to three dot menu and then you can see the delete option. Just click and confirm to delete, and that's it. You can delete any post article using this method. I hope you should like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.